Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find quick start guide for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and you should be in this menu. If you are in the speaker menu, just go back by use this icon at the left top. Right here, you need to click at the headphones icon at the right top. Now, if your speaker connected with the application, you can tap on it at the My Devices, but also you can find it if you select speaker, then we need to Motion, and you can click right here at the Motion 100. So it's the same menu. Right here we have Quick Start Guide, so tap at this line. And right here we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!